Good morning, guys. This is Brian. Today, I would like to discuss about the wolf trading strategy, about hedging on intraday and for swing position. Okay. First of all, we need to have a definition of hedge. What is a hedge? Hedging is a risk management strategy used to protect investment against unfavorable price movements. Traders do this by taking an offsetting or opposite position in related in an asset, acting like a financial insurance policy. While it limits potential losses, it can also reduce potential profit. Okay? There is a variation of hedging. Okay, there is some variation in hedging. One, direct or direct hedging, in which what we are doing, taking an opposing position on the exact same asset. For example, simultaneously buying or going long and selling going short the same currency pair in forex or same cryptocurrency. This is what we are doing. We are direct hedging. Okay? Number 2, another strategies for hedging. Number 2, derivatives, options and future. Using contracts like put options which increase in value when an underlying stock price drop. This offset the loss on the original stock. Okay? Number 3, asset diversification. Investing that have a negative correlation, they move in opposite direction. If tech stop drop, a trader might see a gain in consumer staple for gold. Number 4, using inverse buying an exchange traded fund designed to perform the exact opposite of broader index like S&P 500 to protect the largest stock portfolio during the market turn. Okay, for us, we are focused on direct hedging here, but actually there is a lot of variation variation for hedging. Okay, I've seen a variation just like a triple variation, let's say, right? I'll give you guys an example. Okay, you buy euro US dollar. Okay, you sell you you sell wait, I give you guys an example. Okay, I'll put here, you buy euro US dollar. This is a triple way. This is a triple pair hedging technique. Okay, buying euro US dollar. Okay, and then after that, you selling USD. You're selling euro JPY, right? And another pair for this is a triple pair. Okay, I'll give you a one maybe complex pair to trade about hedging. Buying euro US dollar, selling euro JPY, and then buy USD JPY. Okay? This is one complex pair. Okay? So when you buy euro, right? So euro is let's say you are predicting euro is going up, right? And then actually you are also selling the US dollar here on this pair, right? On the next pair, just imagine guys, okay? You're buying euro here, you're selling euro on the next position. While you buy also the JPY. But on the third one, did you see the analysis, the pair correlation on here? You buy USD again, in which you on the first position you are trying to sell, right? You buy USD, you are selling JPY again, in which on this position you buy. So these three are perfect pair. This is what it means on the example. This is what it means about, he said, diversification, investing in an asset in that have a negative or opposite direction. Yeah, this is a full hedge, but in a triple pair. This is kind of advanced for us, okay? But what I am focused is direct hedging. Direct hedging means we are focused on one instrument, but we use buy and sell. Okay? Okay, now let's go to our technique, okay? That's just an example for me. Now let's go to our wolf trading strategy, okay? Okay, from here, from this example, July 17, Friday, just last week, okay? Firstly, I will place on the beginning of Asia. This is the Asia session, okay? This box is Asia session, okay? In the beginning of Asia session, I will place my buy order, okay? And my sell order, okay? We start here, okay? We start here. Okay. I will make this line as green, okay? I will make this line as green. Okay? On this time, I just place buy and sell whatever's green. I will whatever green in here, meaning whatever positive in these two, I will get. Okay? Small, big, I just need to get. Okay? It's like because Asia is in accumulation phase. So I am also accumulating green while in Asia. This is the thing, okay? I'm also accumulating green also while the price goes up and down, right? So in here, okay, I buy and sell, get the green, okay? Get, let's say, from the buy, okay? Place also again buy and sell, and then get the green from the sell, okay? Until 4 hours. After 4 hours, okay? Wait. I need to move. I need to move this one, okay? I will put after 4 hours. Okay, I will put rule here, okay? Number 1, buy, sorry, buy and sell on Asia Open. Okay? Number 2, after 4 hours, 4 hours from Asia Open, I make sure I am fully hedged. Meaning after the 4 hours, I'll make sure I have the same lot as my buy and and same lot as my sell. Okay. Okay, now we go through the day, okay? So let's say I stop here, right? I stop here. I get buy and sell, and then I'm accumulating greens as well, okay? On that day, small or big doesn't matter, okay? After we're going to the whole day, okay? Usually on London, I don't touch. I'm not touching London because each session has characteristic, okay? I already mentioned this one in the thread. Each session have their characteristic, okay? First, Asia doing the accumulation phase. Asian doing the accumulation phase. London doing the manipulation phase, in which London will induce us to go to another side, but that side is actually most of the time wrong. That's why I never take any London signals. Okay? Sometimes I do. Sometimes London do a good signal, but it's rarely happen. Rarely happen. That is why most of the time I try to hedge even when London is open. Okay? So accumulation phase on Japan, on Asia, manipulation on London, the distribution phase will be done on New York. So what I will go is from Asia to New York. Okay? Okay, let's bring this. Okay, this is like our timeline. Okay, let's bring this. Okay, let's bring this line. Okay. 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 Now we are, let's say, in the New York session. Okay, the price go down. Okay, from here, right? We start here, right? It move up. Yes, it was green, right? Our buy is green, right? But I won't take it because I will take it only on New York. Okay, I won't take it. The Now after the London, you see, London try to push the price lower. So this sell is in positive, right? This sell is in positive position, okay? It goes here. In which London, New York, London and New York overlap, make the daily low. You make the daily low, right? So what will I do here is I will remove my positive. Remove my positive cell. Okay? Remove my positive cell. Okay? And replace it with another buying position throughout New York session. Right? So the position will be like this. The position will be like this, guys. Okay? So I have new buy here and the old buy, the first buy here, right? Now, after that, London make the daily low, okay, in which we are also in the support. Okay, this is the support line, yeah, the trend line, the blue line. Price go up. Price go up. This one is making green. This one is starting to lessen the green, lessen the red. Okay, this is the first one starting to lessen the drawdown. Going up, going up, going up, going up, right? Going up until you finish the London session. You see? Until you finish the London session. So this position, the first position is green. The second buy is also green, and you also win on the sell side. This is what I mean for hedge. Okay? Okay, I need to put it here, okay? I will put it here. 3 on New London to New York overlap. I will look for daily high or daily low. EG, support and resistance or resistance. Okay? Sorry, this is not number 4. This should be number 3. Okay, number 3. Number 4, remove the positive. E.g., buy or sell. Place another same order as the drawdown you have. which in this case, in this case, the buy side. Okay? 5. 5. Okay? Number 5. Wait out until both uh, both position to be green and get out. Both position buy and sell is green on the on your daily. Okay, guys. Okay, let's review once more. Okay, let's review this once more. Okay, first Asia, buy and sell into Asia Open. After 4 hours from Asia Open, I make sure I am fully hedged. On London, on New York overlap, I will look for daily high or daily low, e.g. support or resistance. Number 4, remove the positive, in which in this case, the positive here is sell. On the example, the positive in, remove your positive, place another same order as the drawdown you have. So, this is what we do, okay? We place, instead of putting sell here, okay, we place buy, in which we are anticipating to go back on the original drawdown, right? Place a buy order in the drawdown you have. Wait out until both position to be green and get out, okay? So you have to wait, right? From here, you are winning here, and this one is less, getting lesser drawdown, okay? So, throughout the day, you both win, okay? Both position, buy and sell, is green on your daily, okay? That's the core, okay? That's the core, okay? I give you another example, okay? Maybe I'll try to move the chart again a little bit, okay? Maybe I'll give you another example, okay? Okay. Okay. Here. Here. This price action, guys, is repeatable, okay? Most of the time, 80% you will see like this. 80%. This is the reason why, let's say in the morning, you guys trade, you are positive, right? On nighttime, you are already lost on the same positive position on the morning. This is actually exactly the same. Because the market moves up and down, and whatever the market usually moves, let's say from London, whatever the London done, that's not the correct one. The correct move is at New York. The London is the one who will distract us where to go, and then he will induce us to make mistake. That is the reason why I don't take London signal, okay? Okay, this example again. Okay? This example again, okay? We place buy, and then we place sell here. We place sell here, okay? Okay? We place sell here. I will change this color to red. Okay? Okay, buy and sell. Buy and sell on Asia Open. Okay, this is Asia Open. Okay? After 4 hours, we are fully hedged. Okay, we are fully hedged. Now, let's say I took already and then fully hedged, okay? I didn't take any green on whatever. I just place buy and sell on Asia Open. You can do that as well, no problem. Just place buy and sell, no problem, okay? Just make sure you're fully hedged, okay? Okay, throughout the day, okay, you hold that hedge. You hold that hedge until New York Open, okay? Until New York Open. We are here, okay? This box is New York, okay? This box is New York, okay? The price go high. The price go high, right? The price go high. You are positive here in your buy. Okay? The price go high. You wait out because we are going to, what we're going to look is the daily high or the daily low. The daily high or the daily low. Or another word for it is the support or resistance. Okay? Okay. Okay. From after we open in New York, the candle goes up, goes up, goes up. So, this one is a win. This buy, right? This sell is losing. This sell is losing. Okay? So after this, it go up here, I will remove. Why will I remove it also? This did I did I not mention here? Try to look on the daily high or daily low or support and resistance. This area is a resistance, guys. This area is a resistance. You see the bear trend line? This area is a resistance. Okay? It's so dangerous for us to continue the buy, right? It's better for us to go in the sell. So what will I do in that at that time? Okay? Get my greens, get my greens, replace it with with another cell. Okay? Okay, I will draw the cell here, okay? Because it start from here. It's new cell. This is an old cell, right? Okay. Afterwards, afterwards you reach the top. Afterwards you reach the top, the price go down. The price go down, right? The price go down. The price go down from here, from at New York session. The price go down, okay? In which this is another support, right? This is was another support, 4030 area. Okay, we already done it, okay? In which this is another support. I win already in the new buy, in the second buy, I second sell, sorry, in the second sell and on the first sell. From here I win. This one is getting lessen and lessen drawdown. First I win. Okay? And after that, I close everything. So, my buy is a win, my sell is a win. I don't use stop loss, guys. I don't use stop loss. My position is acting stop loss in itself because the buy and sell movement is acting like a lock in your equity. This is the thing about hedging, okay? It's better to use than stop loss. You are anticipating the move on the opposite side, okay? Even though you make mistake, let's say I buy here and make mistake is also there's a bigger chance for you to earn on the opposite side while you have a chance to break even at least your first wrong position. This is the good thing about hedging, okay? This is called direct hedging, as you already already mentioned to you guys, okay? The first example I did is made you a little bit complex, a little bit complex, okay? It's about three pair hedge, okay? Buy euro US dollar, sell sell euro JPY, right? Then buy USD JPY. That move, the pricing of those three will move complement to one another until you make money out of it. Okay, it's like circle. The price is getting circle and circle, but you are trying to make green. But I cannot discuss it because I'm not that's not my forte. Okay, that's not my my main thing. Uh, there it's kind of complicated. Some people are doing that. Okay, I've seen them, but for me it's that's not my forte. Okay, my forte is direct hedge, in which hedge using a stop loss. Okay. Okay, now let's go to I will hide this, okay? I will hide it for a bit, okay? I will hide it, okay? Now let's go to swing. Okay, this is intraday, okay? This is an example of intraday hedge, okay? Let's go to swing. Let's say we go to 2 hour. 2 hour chart, okay? Okay, from here, okay? This is a very long candle. Friday, okay? You see? This is very long candle. We are swinging here, right? Okay. We start, let's say, we start. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We start, let's say this one. Okay, we make mistake. We make mistake. Okay, let's say we make a mistake. Okay, instead of selling, we buy and sell, right? We buy and sell, and that's the rules actually. What even you make mistake, guys, you will earn. Okay, you will earn. This is the thing I'm showing to you. Okay, in swinging, there is no Asia Open, there is no London Open, there is no New York Open. Okay, we will use that trend against him. Okay, we will use the more important here is to retracement. Okay, okay, make a note out of this. Okay, I will make a note out of this, Nate. Okay, okay, hold on na. Where is that? Where is that? Okay, where is my trend line? The blue line. Okay, I didn't make it yet. I didn't put the trend line. Anyway, okay. Anyway, okay. Okay, we come back here. Okay. Okay, from 5th June, that just last month, okay? 5th June, okay? We will go here, okay? 17th June, in which it was around like 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks waiting. It was swinging, okay? We buy and sell, okay? We buy and sell, okay? We buy and sell, okay? Price go down. Price go down. Price go down for gold, okay? We wait out. We wait out. We wait out. We wait out. This one have a lot of green. The sell position have a lot of green. The buy position have a lot of drawdown. But doesn't matter because we have locked our account, right? We have locked our account. Okay, the buy is green. The sell is green, sorry. Okay. From here, we know 4,000 area is actually support in which which buyers are are using. There is very important levels for the buyers, okay? Very important levels for the buyers. Hold on, guys, hold on. Okay, guys, I come back. I come back, okay? Okay, now this is the area of the buyers, right? So we must be cautious around this area for a seller, okay? For the seller, we must be conscious. 4,000, 4,000, 60, 40, something like this, okay? This is their area, okay? So what we do, we found some weakness on the sell candle. You see this, guys, okay? The price go down, bounce. The price go down, bounce. Someone big buying here on this area, right? So what will I do? I will remove this sell. Okay? Remove the sell side on the hedge, okay? And replace the buy. Okay? Now the price go down, right? We win on sells, right? Okay, now we go up. From this point, from the support, price going up, price going up, price going up. This second buy is greening, starting to get the green, right? Starting to win. And this first buy is starting to lessen the drawdown. Okay? Okay? We are winning, we're winning, we're winning. Once we are here, right? This one cannot break even, right? Did not break even. But this one is a win itself, right? Let's say I will measure this one. I try to measure this one for you guys to understand. Let's say from here to here is how many? Okay? Is 369 or 8 negative 8.5 points, right? Let's say from here you're winning, right? And this the diff and also this one from here you can see you have seven around 1% difference, right? So even though that is 1% difference, you make money on your buy. While you lessen this drawdown, you can cut it. You still win. Okay? You still win on your sells and as well in your buys. This is how the wolf trading strategy, the wolf price action works. Remember guys, okay? There is 3 trend in the market. 3 trend, not 2. Okay? There is actually 3. Okay? Remember, there is bulls in which going up, long, they most of the time they are using the word long. The bears is actually going down. They calling it short, right? But many people doesn't understand about the wolf. The wolf, the wolf itself. The wolf is the range. The wolf is the range. This one, you see this one is ranging, right? This is the wolf. The wolf display balance. The wolf display balance. This one actually, I remove this. This one actually. The wolf itself display the balance inside the price. It went up and down in the range. Okay? Okay? I'm sorry. He went out up and down inside there. This is the wolf accumulation. They are trying to accumulate up or down, yeah? This is inducement. You see, this is inducement. This is manipulation. After accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. That is why it's a very big candle, right? Okay. The many people doesn't understand what is wolf. Wolf is the third trend in trading. He is the range one. That's why we are in the balance range. The balance meaning we don't go to any side. That is why we buy and sell. Because we are neutral. Our position is in neutral. We are not predicting. We are just waiting. Okay, guys? I hope I explained to you clearly how to do the intraday swing and then the intraday hedge and swing hedge. Okay? I hope I can explain to you guys. Okay? Tomorrow I will make a video about squeezing. Okay? Little by little, I will make a series out of hedging strategy. Okay? So all of us will be more cleared. Okay? Thank you and have a good day.